Why does your scanner show the P0027 engine code? What does it mean? P0027 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust valve control, solenoid circuit range, or performance bank 1. This engine code indicates that this means the ECM has detected that the solenoid responsible for controlling the variable valve lift for the exhaust valves on bank 1 is either not responding quickly enough or is not functioning correctly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective solenoid, wiring and electrical issues, low oil pressure, worn cam phaser or hub, timing chain or belt issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volvo, and Ford models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.